Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make money from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to share some of my favorite ways to make money online, so be sure to stick around until the end. If you're interested in earning some extra cash, then this video is for you. Today we are talking about Linkvertise. What is Linkvertise? Linkvertise is a platform that allows you to short links with little or no efforts. It helps you generate streams of revenue simply by shortening the links, and in the return, you get rewarded. It was founded in January 2019 by Mark Aurel Winter in Germany. The main office is based in the Hohenlochstedt district of Steinberg, Germany. Linkvertise has been the most trusted URL shortener that pays its users on time without any hassle. So now you've been familiar with this network, let's move on how it works and why people should choose it over other link shorteners. As we have already discussed, that you get paid by simply sharing the links online that you've shorted earlier. But how? Well, it is quite simple, as you simply need to shorten the long URLs and share them with your audience. Whenever a visitor clicks on the shorted link, he/she will be redirected to some website where he/she needs to see an advertisement for a few seconds. Soon after that, a skip button would appear probably at the right top corner of the website, where he/she will click on it and lands on the long URLs which you have shorted earlier. Therefore, using this method, you can generate some massive income by sharing the short links that you created earlier on your website or any other social media place such as Facebook, Twitter, etc. As per their policies. Are you looking for the Linkvertise review? Having any doubts about choosing Linkvertise amongst other the URL shorteners? If yes, then you've come to the right place, as we are going to do an in-depth Linkvertise review justifying why it is the most trusted and the best URL shortener. I myself tested this network and been working for over several months. Literally, this network came out to be the best link shortener amongst various URL shorteners in the market. Therefore, I thought, why not write a Linkvertise review in order to share my experiences and to help you make a good decision by choosing this URL shortener. Why choosing Linkvertise is worth it. Linkvertise usually works the same as other URL shorteners work, but what makes it stand out among others? Well, the answer is simple, that it is one of the most trustworthy network that never fails to amaze its users. They always care about their users and maintains their trust. The beauty of this network that others might not have mentioned in their Linkvertise reviews is that it is the only network that they always aim to make the start for every user as easy as possible. The user should be able to start directly and check if it is worth working with them without providing his personal details first. The user should only need to provide personal details for when he/she reaches an amount of money or when he/she wants to withdraw money. They also allow the link creator to choose which advertisement options the user wants to activate for his community. Moreover, they offer you a bunch of features to help you earn even more by taking advantage of those features. Linkvertise features. There are many different features that other URL shorteners lack to provide. Some of the features that will help you in choosing Linkvertise as your earning partner are as follows. Highest payout rates. Using Linkvertise, you can earn up to $70 per 1,000 views, as it works on the CPM, cost per mile, model. It is the best paying link shortening site, especially in German-speaking countries. The good thing about this network is that they do not use pop-ups or annoying layers that most users don't like, but even though they still pay the highest paying rates. Therefore, I'll definitely recommend you go for the Linkvertise. Performance reporting system. Linkvertise offers you a complete performance reporting dashboard with which you can simply monitor your performance and earnings. With their optimized dashboard, you can have the perfect view of your earnings. Quick payments. Who doesn't want to receive payments ASAP? Of course, everyone loves it to receive their payments on time. With Linkvertise, you can receive payments twice a month if they have reached a minimum threshold of $10. They also have a waiting time for 3 days, 15 days or 30 days depending on the amount, which is another good feature of Linkvertise that others don't provide. Referral program. Apart from the other URL shorteners that offer referral system to earn more but are not as effective. However, Linkvertise is the only one that dominates others in the referral program too. With Linkvertise, you can get a 5% commission from the users you referred to join this network. Quick support. Linkvertise provides quick customer care support to its users. The team is highly dedicated to working and can easily resolve your queries using the support that is inbuilt in their website. The team will get back to you within 24 hours. Most of your questions will be automatically answered by the Current Questions feature that is probably located at the top of the support chat. Pros and cons of Linkvertise. The following are the advantages and disadvantages of using Linkvertise. Pros. Highest CPM rates. Timely payments. User-friendly interface. Clear statistics. Minimum payout threshold. Referral system to earn more. Quick support. Cons. Sometimes there might be a delay in responding to your messages. The visitor sometime must need to have browser add-on activated in order to continue to your link. Linkvertise payment methods. Linkvertise provides various payment methods through which you can easily withdraw your money, which is as simple as you can ever imagine. Following are some of the major platforms that are connected with Linkvertise to get payments in hands: PayPal, check, prepaid debit card, bank transfer, e-check, wire transfer. Remember, you must have at least $10 to withdraw your money from the above payment methods. Can user get banned in Linkvertise? Yes, just like every other revenue-earning application or site, users can get banned if they commit any forgery or lots of mistakes. The biggest prohibition in Linkvertise website is the use of VPN or proxy. I strongly warn our users who are interested in joining Linkvertise to not use proxy or VPN. The site can ban immediately if they find such activities. Another way a site can ban a user is if they continuously click their own shortened links. Users are also recommended to frequently clear their caches after every session of using Linkvertise. How much can you earn from Linkvertise? The amount of earnings in Linkvertise depends upon the traffic or visitors that click the shortened links, as well as the location of the visitor as well. Visitors from America, Canada, UK, and other Europeans have higher CPM, i.e. cost per mile, whereas visitors from South Asian countries such as India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, and from African countries such as Nigeria, Egypt, Sudan, etc. have lower CPM rate. If a user can attract visitors from countries with a high CPM rate, they can earn up to $70 per 1,000 views. But normal people with reasonable traffic can easily earn up to $100 to $300 per week, depending on how many links you have. Do I recommend Linkvertise? In light of my experiences, the answer will be surely yes. Apart from other URL shorteners, Linkvertise would be the best choice you'll ever make, as it is one of the highly trusted network that pays on time to their users. If you're still having doubts about choosing this network, you can check Linkvertise review from many other users based on their experiences, and all have 100% positive feedback about this network. Join Linkvertise now. Final verdict: Linkvertise review, legit or scam? Hence, from the above deduction, I can confirm that Linkvertise is legit and it definitely pays its user. However, to earn in the site, users have to bring in traffic or visitors who can click on their shortened links. This process is not easy to do, and many of the users quit the site after some time. I recommend our users who have a large friend circle or who have a blog or website with satisfactory traffic use this network to earn some extra income. I do not recommend anyone who wants to try this network to quit their job and use this site as an active source of income. So, what are you waiting for? Get connected with Linkvertise and start your journey today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I love hearing from you guys.